Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to share with you why swing trading is better than day trading for you. Trading can really change your life, but before you jump into any strategy, you should evaluate which strategy is best for you and which strategy can make you the most money. In this video I'm going to explain why swing trading is better for you and why it could make you more money stress-free over the long run. So here are the pros for swing trading. Number one, you leave the trades more time to develop and work out. You don't have to time the market. Number two, swing trading can be done while you have other projects, activities, or your job, or even while you are enjoying life with your family. Because at the end of the day, think about why you start trading. Basically because you want to earn more money and have more time with your family and enjoy life. Number three, compared to day trading, you are not bounded in front of the computer all day. It is enough for you to check your positions at the market open, at the market close, and do your analysis during the weekends, for example. Number four, if you focus on fundamentally strong stocks in bullish markets, and you are going to have more edge over the people who are using only technical analysis. Number five, you won't be chopped out or caught up in the noise like day trading, for example. In my early trading career, that happened to me a lot. I just stopped out and got caught up in the market noise intraday because I was trying to time the market perfectly intraday and get into the stock at the best price. The result was that I was not able to catch any big move, and I was of course frustrated because the next day the stocks which I was trading continued to go up, but I was just stopped out the previous day. This basically gave me the opportunity to realize what is happening there and try to reevaluate and adjust my strategy based on that. Of course, there are some contrasts with swing trading too. There is no perfect strategy out there. Number one, you get paid out after a couple of weeks or even months, depending how long are you going to hold the particular stock. Number two, and this is in my opinion one of the biggest issues while swing trading, you can see some gap downs, and this may hurt you if you are trading some bigger positions. But of course, if you're an experienced trader, you can use options instead of buying the stocks, or you can use just options for hedging your positions. Now, I'm not saying that day trading is not profitable. Of course, day trading can be profitable as well, and I know personally a lot of day traders who are very successful at it. It is just my personal opinion, and I'm just saying what worked for me and what could work for you, especially if you're a beginner. So here are the pros for day trading. In my opinion, number one, you get paid daily. So you don't have to think what would happen the next day. You are just getting your salary on the daily basis. Number two, you don't have gap up or gap down risk, which is a very huge advantage, of course, because by the time you are done with trading, you can just switch off, enjoy some of your free time, and you don't have to think all the time about the market and what are your positions doing, what could happen overnight, read news or stuff like that. Now here are the contrasts with day trading. Number one, you have PDT rule. PDT rule basically means a pattern day trading rule. This basically means that you need at least $25,000 on your account in order to be able to day trade stocks. This is especially for the US market very common. If you don't have that $25,000 on your account, you would be able only to make 3 day trades per week, which could be hard, of course, if you're trying to make your living out of day trading stocks. Disadvantage number two, you are trading against bigger institutions and against a lot of algorithms. Especially nowadays, more and more computers and artificial intelligence are taking place in the trading industry. And especially with day trading, more algos are involved into the market with those big cap stocks. This basically means that you are trading against those algorithms, against those institutional traders. Now, before you choose to start that path, just ask yourself for a minute, is that something what you want to do? Do you really want to bet against the bigger institutions? Do you really want to trade against algorithms and machines which are much faster than you? Or is there probably some easier way to make money and swim with the flow, with the bigger money? Disadvantage number 3, you are basically trying to time the market perfectly. This is not easy and none of us can do that, especially not on the long run. You would see that at times when you wake up with a huge gap up, you would not have a lot of opportunities to day trade. So in this case, you have to wait patiently for another setup or just to skip the day and take the day off. This requires a lot of discipline, and this is why day trading is much harder than swing trading in my opinion. This could also lead to frustrations. For example, if you miss a trade because you didn't time it perfectly, but the stock continues to go up, for example, and the next day it continues to go up another $20 or $40, and you know you had the right idea, but you just missed the timing, you missed the entry, this would lead you to frustration and to fear of missing time. This would cause, of course, by the next time, more and more chasing, which would lead to bad performance overall. It is important for you to know those advantages and disadvantages and to know what are you good at and can you live with those disadvantages on the long run. Overall, day trading and swing trading basically requires just different skills. Day trading is more for active people, for people who can process information much faster than, for example, swing trading. Swing trading requires more analytical skills. You should be able to make a deep dive into a company. You should be able to realize what are the correlations to the current market, what are the fundamentals, what is the growth of the company, and just an overall understanding and more in-depth analysis compared to day trading. Now, you can be successful in both of them, in day trading and in swing trading. And to find out which is the best strategy for you, you have to test the waters first. So if you want to find out day trading, just day trade for a while. Just day trade for a couple of weeks or months. See if that's something for you, if you can live with the stress, if you can stay in front of the computer that many hours, if you can process information faster or not. You can also try out swing trading. Maybe that won't be the right for you because you would feel not good knowing that you have a lot of positions overnight and you won't be able to sleep, for example. Some people are not able to swing trade because they are all the time checking their positions and checking the news and what is the stock doing. If that bothers you a lot and you cannot hold your positions overnight, probably day trading is the better option for you. But like I said, in order to know that, you should test both of them. And of course, you should think about how much capital do you have. Based on that, you can decide which strategy is better for you. If you are below 25,000 and you live in the USA, of course it would be not easy for you to day trade because you would be able to make only 3 day trades per week. This is very less in order to practice and in order to make some substantial income. On the other hand, if you have below 25,000 capital, you can of course start small with swing trading, build your account over time by focusing on strong growth stocks, for example, or you can just use options for leveraging and focusing on those growth stocks or ETFs. There are a lot of possibilities out there. Just make sure to choose the right strategy based on your current situation, based on your current time and capital. So that's it, guys. I hope it helped you a little bit more to understand the difference between swing and day trading, and I hope before you start you make the right decisions and test the waters first. Leave me a comment, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate that. Thank you.